Hi everyone, in this video we're taking a look at how to repurpose brewed tea leaves. If you're interested in premium tea, make sure to subscribe to our channel for new videos like this one each week. Artisanal teas take a lot of time, skill, and effort to produce. For some of our rarest harvests like premium Dragon Ball and Silver Needle, a single pound of tea requires nearly 30,000 hand-picked leaf buds. Because of this, we like finding ways to use these leaves even after they've been brewed, instead of just throwing them away. Young tea buds are so tender that they're edible, so we especially like to save our Dragon Ball buds for pickling as a garnish, steaming with rice, or mixing in a dish with a stir fry. Not only does this add a mild and pleasant taste, it also means you're consuming the entire leaf for maximum health benefits. Another option is to use your tea leaves as a nutrient in your garden. After you finish brewing, just sprinkle the leaves on the soil and allow them to break down back into the ground. The possibilities are endless, so the next time you brew tea, get creative and let us know how you use your brewed tea leaves. To learn more about our range of premium tea, visit redblossomtea.com. Make sure you leave a like and comment below if you found this video helpful, and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you don't miss out on future videos.